Biya kamal kanwar I channel mijiram yidit gorab subscribe. Kami jiram itatanun gorab notification vel bijale bako yum chinedor avlut be manajiki pet. Wa biya to kamal.
Goa be subscribe manan be twang be moy like hibi notification bell be twang comment ador upload be manjike pet. Go along.
Cái Genova Sudan and walla ba ye nung la ra kwini ni dangra ute chuwa changa ja dangra wuda ra le changa ja dangra wuda diok ka changa ja dangra wuda ngwan walle la ra ba rajo dien etager en chiro ra lat ka SPLM ala ruling party marwai ke president Salva Kiir kon junu ni dial channel ni ngon nder kon tinen wo SPLM etager change mi chiro la rede Chia mo tu ko rode ko koraj mi joro lan ni chango wol diech ka payng diech en wonen president Salva Kiir teleje yana daga indial from chango wol diech up to now she clear no president Salva Kiir jande en mi cher keno kan teger joro lat ka fati SPLM kan ban rajo di longto go jago analysis mi jeno jira mi jo maling be share ka be like ko bane ko ken la jinubin le ngato me ba ko le shop right now kan ni reality ko president Salva Kiir jani je tuong ni chang wol die ka pai die ko na president Salva Kiir te woni je te rumas ti ro di lat ka social media ni kan tukna anu president Salva Kiir tela yaga Genova Sudan. And the question of Matelejamo, whether to go Kicha Woni, one of the topic of today, Banarajod. So, Canadian and content Jato Majak, take a mixed reaction. Ko Cheramanan Chakalar, Ichatagater, Michorolat, SPLM, a ruling party, Maraika President Salva Kiir. Korku Miala, the President Salva Kiir, Selaje. Ba joy ko je te ne dang dok ti cha point ala divities to president Salva Kiir je te ne dang dok ti cha wo ko position ni ken cha ne dang dok ko ken cha ga lat kwa mi ken cha waniga cha wo ka bolmel cha ko la manyang cha wo ka chek mi cha la mera fai cha wada court cha watch ka Simon kun poch. So the question come up ko mi jo kutu ko no lat ka ye president Salva Kiir teleje kana George anga mukuna la watch ka nga mukuna la phone. So rami jiro mo che de tin ko ni te na ka tela answer tela proper answer mukam ganad te chop ka changa ja nangara wudaro ka changa ja nangara wudaro che to ko ne chiene te kon la bolmel kana mera fai ka Simon kun poch chi ka bokpat cha ne di la ja SPLM ngwan kan jaga lalar chi tanken wo voluntarily ne de din ken bo ka SPLM chi ka kan go wa chien ne de kona te tinu wini mi chi ka lep ko president Salva Kiir ba ben ba bok ba pat nyam de. So we know a tradition ka fatis ko ne ramicha point a president be yek pat nyam de ramicha point party chairman be yek pat nyam de. So tuna liba ko ne ne dang dokoto de ka fat nyam president Salva Kiir chane gor mi cher ka me pan ne te kon te ngwamo te gwapat lar ka ne o president Salva Kiir kana George lakin chinapat bai yemi ne cha organize keje. So ko kana George chi kono gwe ko da ranjen conclusion and Rajedan ne quite speculate and President Salva Kiir either take way, either is not alive, either take a plan somewhere that is not in the country. You currently conclude, but after some hour, you could take some media houses, you are radio, you benakel, your office of the president, you better you take a surni, which generate artificial intelligence, you circulate on social media, in free tag that President Salva Kiir was in the function. You generate, may you con which analyze can reality, a joy they were artificially generated. Artificially generated, we are still asking the question of where is President Salva Kiir? Well, the point President Salva Kiir, whether is there, is not any longer in public view. Changot ka public view. Now we are in the period of transition. Kan ka kwar President Salva Kiir, whether kwedeteka, kejedeteka, kamweja bol mel. It is a project which are alaka, kagwam bar, ajan President Salva Kiir, kel, kana yuer masaben. It is a project of 4 or 5 people. President Salva Kiir kana nyada na adut, kacha nyada na bol mel, ka yuer masaben, kana gade, kajido arien. And the reason is because of the money. Eugene Sudan, Bagan Bess, Kajigual, Musabenako Bawurme, Mishala Bullmel, Bandonga Flower. So, Mulunu, and as we speak today, Tetuago Bullmel is the first deputy as Phelan. Constitutionally, take a hack, go there a quarter for Kidakan in case of anything, Vijituo. Digital Pakir Milu, automatic, is the chairman of the SPLM, and as the situation of today is the president of South Sudan. So I wish you more, let go and based on the process, tin corner charlat, whether it's Pakir Chara Michilu, whether it's decide you be power very language. But when you are, so today, you the Yoko Bullmel. He has only one step ahead of him, Benang. And the question now, how will he take the power? Because as we know, the world of politics, the world of government, Kume will be poor, but our country, in Benang, you have only 3 options. You either stage a coup, you organize, which within the army, can organize forces with external support, a political support externally. If you succeed internally, you will be political support outside. So, Kumo, which is stage, it should succeed, in Ankwara. Marauda a election. You campaign for your voters, go by the Kwanyakan when there is an election. Which part the constitution of the country be recognized in Lakwar. The audience which she rebel against the government. You organize yourself, she corrigate then she come she tupol. She come me she judge, be power, be nyoko me ku set up, be come to violat in Lakwar. So succession we will work naturally, like this might be a forced process. There are under for a time being. Constitution it is only 60 days that people go for election. Election like within 60 days, Ramalat, a buy there. So today, because also done millennium buy, which at work with Salva Kiir within a period of 60 days. If Milord Kanaja won a a transition me tradition me coordinate me connect the constitution so ko ru rajode en go kwar bolmel as we talk about it's very difficult ko be unknown time be unknown gaje this is what we are waiting for and we are thinking go on in a few days but a official announcement la formal declaration of Quern Salva Kiir is like this but wako dong muterar balado chagodwel walrar then you will come back in the coffin wa wonong banong ke tunduk kia bala den won be kulo warar ko dong tege joy kia ba yedor mulo no won the president Salva Kiir de la vulnerable to rule ba declare so and which warar kel ke nungadamo with resignation me ba design in his name ba bolmel ba jako ba waka power which kwa kwor this is the area of discussion ko ne kono wan la larga je wona ne kumejane akel bolmel was the center of corruption kaso Sudan Rundial so meja ben we come there's no different kaje kana Salva Kiir people of South Sudan will still suffer the corruption bangon metetin instead bala more devastated be jago long wo bolmel wa kwor so tene okenti ti larga je those who think as revolutionaries larga je wona the situation of South Sudan today Ramadan and could keep connected as Salva Kiir take a neck to pray neke courage of the community take a now canor the lot kel these are the people who are supporting him targo koro can shoot Salva Kiir ko managa within other tribe tene la neke you talk of Louis Lebong we talk of nego ken ka Western Equatoria dandini manaka so ne di ali yagan taro you talk of Murale ka manaka you talk of Chuluk now ka manaka Salva Kiir plus within the young rejan tene di la neke ti mara ken nege ka ngany mo go special me they were together ko ram shi chankel ga nat kurun la kwore nat ngai behavior nen one day you which kel so ti ali yagan taro go betaga power me rom kuma de chong again kan managa all those power ya belong ko maintain bolmel bala kwor mala kwor jana me fear bala kwor jana me nega de kon ba kuma le ala ka ti belare kuma ga da jang but the new generation of jang mi chuma old generation so no beneno ken ba nyo ko mo ga power to fight the government bolmel revolution is very good and there's Salva Kiir that till they bolmel on and then the next step they la so we have this example no correlated kon ga jalab ci kon telegram kel so you yen ne ni meri you ben ga Sadiq Al Mahdi you ben ga Sora Dab you ben ga Umar Bashir so chan ni ga ne ideal until we get what we want so any change within the government la take a change ki strategy ka power in but take a change la take some dilemma so Mr. Keno yen Salva Kiir is one of the advantage revolutionaries well murai kon go and lady in one let's say Nuari I can say it, we are in this area politically this area militarily this area economically we talk of political this area Riomachar, the leader of the SPLM is under our arrest. Chayeno, Talwang. Within the SPLM, take confusion. Confusion ka par kol bejai. Confusion ka ne den kon tin ngut position again within the government. Confusion can any position again job bucket because of the security reason. So now currently unify. Currently the mat. Can all those branches tinchi duckpin. Haranamat. And the problem is already much politically, no more is one of the problem. So militarily, Jatuako Kor on target military as Piala Mayo, Jakan can as Piala Mayo, Canada's phone, Puli, La Lode Yaguarun, Lutinabia, Quidun, Bia Latmia succeed, and no Barami, Beonyo Mulude Kakora. So you know the Yako SPLM, SPLA IO is not unified, like a unified prawn, a command, the joke will and the men that they respond to. So no more political, the military desire, economic telecom quack. Aban organization need money. Go to you, a gen call an animal now. Kumala kume Salva Kiir ke yutu sayo kume jan che Uganda che nung che air power Uganda che jur che ground force ke Uganda che jur che artillery ni che nung ka so Sudan ka Juba. So no more is money ke you that we don't have and quite a largo economically we are in disarray telo kolong. Lakin what is the future? What will be the future of our revolution? So is one of the big questions that all of us we need to think. Future in a situation like this, belang. So we contrast it with the time. For good. Like at a time, you're going to corner your issues to more con. Chong Chuang this time, she could be ten or no, a monogua major. So, la lar worry and manpower is there. We don't have a problem of people to fight. The Conga generation may strong, the Conga veteran, they are there. So, our problem now is a source of logistic, source of weapon, or my dig. When condition, the condition may permanent. Something may happen in the middle. So that a or a lot, me didn't my dinner jack. And if we get weapon, the case is simple. We can resolve it. So Menang Konako hell nail content wakon put in that situation. Kajang, Kiagan. Yes, Kajang, Koyin Konaga, Lakin, the power that they are using, a power Uganda. A power Uganda, as we know. Ko ngai kon jang go ka situation da kon no so Sudan ka Koran ka power and da kan join the kon me power in da kon ngaje power in lakin the power of today a power Uganda ka yo that will have end but talk Uganda no so Sudan ka yo rin one ka air force de ka defense force de ka tiller ni ka ya no ka yo rin one so that money they will still need lot of money. We know our economic status in the government. Oil jamon jataka koma, tell production, tell dollars. So what will happen when Uganda will go back? We tell support the region, tell back up financially the region. Have support you. We support any bull mel, can you go Salva Kiir. That will cost a lot of money. So they will go back. We will no condoran. Okay. Right me here no a meloni ni kon war but the end question go hell jang no ka bol mel no ka ne wala akwar so ka nok that is a simple answer all of them so right now na dago wona ne por jago about 6-7 people jang de al cha bol mel cha nok wala ken ke Uganda. Uganda is ready to protect Bullmel and the family of Salva Kiir in case of any internal reaction. Kajang.